So guys, in today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I wash my wig. It's a coily wig. It feels very stiff, guys, so it's a wig that you just wear. I don't like to glue my wig on because I just like to take it off when I get home, so you guys can see it looks a bit
Hey guys, I hope you all are having a wonderful day. So in today's video
I am going to use water to try and rinse off all the sweating. So I'm going to use my sink, but I've got my trusted bucket here because I need to contain the water that I'm going to use. So I'm going to use cold but not too cold, so kind of like lukewarm kind of water for it. Keratin smooth. I love the way it kind of makes your hair very smooth. And also I'll be using my Cantu comb. Put the conditioner in, mix it around a bit, dunk it in gently, give it some love. Let's see how dirty this hair is, guys. This is so dirty, guys. Try not to squeeze it. It's already feeling really soft. So this is just to remove the dirt. I don't want to use shampoo. Look at how brown this water is, guys. You should really wash your hair if you use it all the time. So to be honest, I am going to start washing my wig once a month, seeing as I would actively be wearing the wig. Add more conditioner to fresh water. Swivel it around a bit. Really nice and soft. And I will come back and, like I said, rinse it off. So you can see 3 hours into soaking it in the conditioner and it's still looking brown, guys. So now I'm just gonna rinse. Just gonna use the comb. The water is nice and clean. My wig feels very soft, very beautiful. So now I'm going to air dry it